The next one is electric circuit. So what is electric circuit? See this diagram. Here the battery is there, here switch, here bulb is there. So when you switch it on, so battery will provide the electrons. So electrons will flow through the circuit and the bulb is glow. So see here the electrons will flow in this path. So the electric circuit is nothing but this is the path for an electrons or path for an electric charges. So the path is called what? Electric circuit. If you break this circuit, so electric charges will not flow. So you just connecting this electric circuit, then electric charges are flow through this circuit. Okay, so this is called the electric circuit. In the electric circuit is mainly composed of the components are bulb, switch and battery. Okay, and the wire. The electric circuit is mainly composed of the components are bulb, battery, switch and wire. So what is see here, if you switch it on, the bulb will glow. How? It's a very simple. See here, within the bulb there is a filament. In your home you can see that. Okay, so here there is a filament here. When you switch it on, see this, if you connecting this one to the battery and this is the switch. Okay, so when you switch is on, so from the battery electrons are flowing through this and these electrons will make the filament is hot. So this here the produces the heat effect. Okay, this heat effect will produce an electric current. So then a bulb will glow. You should remember that this filament is get heated when electrons are flowing through this circuit and this heat will produce as the electric current. So then bulb will glow when you switch it on. And one more thing here you should remember that electric charges always flow from positive terminal of the battery to negative terminal of the battery. You should remember that always electric charges flow from positive terminal of the battery to negative terminal of the battery. So this is the bulb. And here this filament is usually made up of the material. That material is tungsten. Why this material is used? Because tungsten have a high melting point. This filament has a high melting point. So if the filament has low melting point, so when you switch it on, electrons are flow, then filament is fused. That means it will be broken down. Okay, then the bulb is not glows. Because of that reason, if the filament has very high melting point, it will withstand the high flow of electric charges. Okay, so because of that, it will withstand the high heat. So because of that reason, filament has a high melting point. Remember that filament has high melting point. Okay, pause. So next one is heating effect of electric current. So what is heating effect of electric current? See here, this is the bulb. When your switch is closed, okay, switch is off. You take your hand nearer to this bulb, so you feel cool. Yes, do you feel cool? Yes. So when your switch is on, okay, if you switch is on, after a few seconds or few minutes, so take your hand nearer to this bulb, you feel hot. Why? Because some of the electric charges are converted into heat. Okay, this is called the heating effect of electric current. See here, because some of electric charges are converted into heat, that will produce the heating effect. That is called the heating effect of electric current. For example, if you see that iron